On this video today, I'm going to show you a beginner strategy that you can use to make money with CPA marketing wherever you are in the world. This method does not require any skills, it does not require any investment. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a CPA group account. Once you create your account and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you are going to select my offers. Once you select my offers, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to find a country where you want to promote offers. So for example, you can see this is United Kingdom. If you don't want to promote offers in the United Kingdom, what you have to do is that you have to search for the country that you want right here. So you can just type any country that you want. So if you want, you can just scroll upwards or downwards to find the country that you want. As you can see, a lot of different countries. So wherever you are in the world, you can get offers to promote in this platform. You can see a whole lot of different countries. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting offers in the United States. So just search for US right here. Once you search for it, you can see United States. So just click on it so that we can find offers in that country to promote. Once you select the United States, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see many offers that you can promote to earn money. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what we are going to do is that you have to select the offers with the higher payout so that you can earn a lot of money. Anytime you get a lead, you can see many offers on the platform. You can see this offer right here. You are going to be earning $2.06 anytime you get people to enter their email and zip code to get the chance of winning money. You can see it right here. You can see this offer. You are going to be earning $1.45. You can see $1.45. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll and then select the offers that you want to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one right here. You are going to be earning $3.42 anytime you get people to enter their email and zip code to stand the chance of winning $1,000 credit line. You can see it right here. So you have to scroll down and then select the one that you want. You can see a whole lot of different offers. You can see this one right here. Enter for a $500 cash app gift card. So if you want, you can promote this offer because the payout is high. You can see $3.42. As I scroll, you can see many offers that you can promote. In this video, I'm going to be promoting this offer right here. So just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on the offer, you can see this is my affiliate link and you can see the one right here. This offer is only allowed in the United States. You can see this is the payout and you can see the requirement right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people from the United States to enter their emails and zip codes so that you can be earning $3.42 and they are going to stand the chance of winning $100 McDonald's gift card, as you can see it right here. The next step is that you are going to come on this website through sweepstakes.com. On this website, you can promote your offers for free without paying for anything. And the best part is that you can promote your offers to any country that you want and you are going to get people to complete the offers for you to earn money. You can see people are promoting similar offers on this platform. You can see this one right here. Win 450 Washington Justice gift card giveaway. So this is similar to the offer that we are going to be promoting on the platform. So offers like that are allowed on this platform. You can see many other offers that people are promoting on this platform. As I scroll, you can see many offers. When you come right here, you can see you can promote your offers in any of these categories. You can see cars and auto, you can see cash and gift cards, electronics, fashion and beauty, food and drinks, health and fitness, home and garden, and then many others. So any of these categories you can post an offer and you are going to get people who will click on it and then complete it for you to make money. In this case, the offer is about cash and gift cards, so we are going to be promoting the offer in that category. To promote your offer, what you have to do is that you have to create a free account so that you can promote the offer. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, join. Once you click on join, you have to enter your username, enter your email address, your password. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, I'm not a robot. Once you click on that, just click right here, create account, so that you can create your account. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in and then show you step by step on how to promote your offers on this platform. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. So as you can see everything on the website, just come right here and then click right here, submit, so that you can submit your offer onto the platform. Once you click on submit, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to start filling the details. You can see right here sweepstakes titles. This is where you are going to paste the title of your offer. So you have to come back on the offer and then highlight and copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. Just paste it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see enter link to entering form. So this is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back. Once you come back, just click right here, copy link. If you want, you can change the domain. There are many domains that you can change. So as you can see, many of them. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see price value. So you have to check the price of the offer. As you can see, they are going to stand a chance of winning $100. So we are going to enter $100 right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see category. So you are going to select the category of the offer that you are promoting. So just scroll down and then select cash and gift cards. As you can see, that has been done. Once you select the category, you can see end date. So you are going to enter the date that you want your offer to expire. In this case, we don't want the offer to expire now, so let's just select 2024. Let's select end of January 2024. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to select eligibility. So you are going to select where the offer is allowed. In this case, the offer is allowed in the United States. So you just click on United States. Once that is done, you can see right here exclusion. So if you want to exclude any country, you can do that. Once that is done, you can see age limit. If you want to restrict people from getting access to this offer, you can do that. Let's just click on it and then select 13 plus. So people under 13 or over 13 can get access to the offer. Once that is done, you can see entry method. So you are going to select the entry method. The offer is enter your email to get access. So they are going to enter their email and zip code. Just select sign up form. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see entry limit. In this case, we are going to select daily entry. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see company website. So you can still paste your affiliate link right here. Just paste your affiliate link right here. Once that is done, you can see price descriptions. So you have to enter the description of the price. For the description, you can just highlight and copy this text right here. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Just paste a description like this. Once that is done, you can see upload price photo. So you are going to upload an image of the offer. So just come back on the offer and then right click on it. Once you right click on it, select save images. Once you select save images, click on save so that you can save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, just click right here, upload price photo. Click on it so that you can upload the image of the offer. Once you upload the image, you can see this is the preview of the image. So this is what your potential visitors are going to see before they take action. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see they have newsletter subscribers. This is the total number. You can see monthly page views. You can see 96% United States based traffic. So this is a quality traffic source that we can use to make money with CPA offers. As a score, you can see many of them. You can see select a premium traffic boost below for high entries. So if you want, you can pay for your entry. If you don't want, that it is not forced. You can pay $4.95. That is almost $5. So once you pay that amount, your offer is guaranteed to be published. But for the free ones, sometimes they may publish them, sometimes they may not publish them. So if you are using the free method, you have to keep on submitting different offers so that you can get some of them approved. That is the method that I use. So you have to keep on publishing many of them so that you can get some of them to be approved and then published onto the platform. So you can see total cost 00. We are not going to pay for anything, but if you want, you can pay this amount right here, $4.95, so that your entry can be published. Once you enter all the details, just click right here, submit sweepstakes. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see we received your submission. Thank you for submitting your sweepstakes to True Sweepstakes. We will review it and publish it as soon as we can. Best regards. So they have received your submission. They are going to review it. Once they review it, they are going to publish it onto the platform, and you are going to get people to enter their details for you to make money on CPA group. So this is very simple. You have to keep on submitting different offers so that you can earn money with CPA marketing without investing any money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.